Hi, everyone, and welcome to Recognizing Gender Dysphoria, your essential guide from A to C in understanding gender dysphoric symptoms and signs. If you don't know who I am, my name is Dr. Z, and I am a clinical psychologist. And for the past 18 years, I've been working exclusively with trans and non binary adults. And I created this class specifically and especially for those of you who are either questioning whether you might be struggling with gender dysphoria, wondering whether what you're experiencing actually constitutes gender dysphoria, or for all of you who already have a strong feeling you do have gender dysphoria and you need a confirmation. You need a deeper understanding, not only of symptoms, but also various signs of gender dysphoria. This is also a phenomenal class for family and friends who want to deepen their understanding so that way they can support you, as well as a great class for professionals out there in the field who would like to work with gender diverse population. This class is not only foundational, it is also essential for anybody who's struggling with either very, very mild, almost non-existent presence of gender dysphoria to a very severe form of gender dysphoria. And the reason why this class is so foundational is because it's going to give you the understanding not only of what gender dysphoria is, but also I'm going to break down for you what are the physical signs and symptoms, what are the psychological signs and symptoms, as well as what are social and behavioral signs and symptoms. And I'm also going to discuss different age groups in which gender dysphoria manifests in adults. So this class is really going to deepen your understanding of yourself. It's going to give you a more aha moments into yourself. It's going to be able to clarify whether what you felt that may have felt sometimes as a milder form of discomfort with your gender, whether that actually is a form of gender dysphoria. This is a very, very important class because if we don't understand, we can then create a plan toward our future. So it all starts with understanding. And this class is jam-packed with information. It's very concise. It's super informative. And it also comes with a workbook. Make sure you download it. That's going to help all of you to really, really dig deep into yourself and to gain a better understanding. Now, having said that, this class is in no shape or form a diagnostic class. While I am a clinical psychologist, I'm not working with any of you directly in that capacity. And so this is still not a clinical diagnostic class. If you're looking for that particular set of clinical diagnosis, you really do need to seek a professional outside of this class. This class is intended to be educational. But I also understand that for a lot of people watching this class, you just don't have resources, or you don't even have a gender specialist in your area. And sometimes, you know what? Having an understanding helps you gain a deeper wealth of insight into your inner world and into your relationship with your gender. And as we know, gender dysphoria, while yes, it can be technically diagnosed by a clinician, it doesn't have to be. So I just want to make sure I put it out there for all of you. I'm really excited to be here with you for the duration of the class. I will be there with you every single lesson. So without further ado, let's get started.